Good morning, good morning. Yeah, we had some sharp action on the Bitcoin yesterday, and I just wanted to show what my original plan was and what my intention going into the future is. So yeah, my main thesis was that we was in a 5 leg move here that ended approximately here in 20 January in this beginning of the 2025. So and after a 5 wave move, you often get some kind of an consolidation period. So and that's you can find the minimum time for that is between these dates. Let me move volume. So this was the minimum time to correct this move up. So then you would see, but you see the price was like this. So this is only the minimum time. So what my thesis are that we are actually in a more complex. We like this is a correction that is together, and then you can see this is A, B, C, for example. And what's interesting to notice here is like if you remove this, if you see the time from this down, from this top to here, you see we are in the normal like time period that this wave took is 1.6 times the time this one now. And if you see at price, we are actually at normally they go 1-to-1, but when we have an expanded B, it's very normal to go like you get an extended move because you had so aggressive upside. It's actually called an expanded B pocket. Yeah, here. So this is like this is normal, what you can expect to see. And if we go even closer, we can see this last move down. We can say that this was a move, this was a connector, and this was another move. So this, every move has a twin. So this move has this twin, and this is the connector in between. And then you see this move, connector, and the twin. And we can check the proportions. Yeah, now we are at the 1-to-1 extension. That's the most normal. And the time. Oh, that was the wrong button. Yeah, we are not at 1-to-1 yet, but we're closing in. But what I want to see here now is like this would be a nice place to like create something like no, not like that. Maybe we need to. $54, that's a nice target. I like to see. this. How would this put us? Yeah, 12 days. Nice. Nice length. 17 days. Would be great to see. Yeah. So that's like the this could be. Normally you get like if you have 5 waves. If this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have the major correction here. Let's make it. The colors is so important. You need to have. Yeah, it's very important to have like clean colors. Yeah, nice. No, not that clean. Okay, just make it red. So yeah, what I wanted to show is like this is potentially something we could see, and it's very normal to like go into the wave 4 territory. That's like a high chance of doing that. Yeah. But of course, we need to see some price action before we can do anything, because this can just go like it can go lower, you know. But this is where I'm looking to deploy capital again. This is interesting. I've been mostly out of the market since like this area, but yeah, it's getting interesting again. If you go back to the last fractal, you see this was not like this, went much slower. So here you had like if you compare, if you do like what I just did, the 1-to-1 was here, and then it went lower, but you can see it in the price action here. You see like you have a distribution behavior, and this is like just going straight down. So that's not what I want to see. We can of course create a very small one, small distribution. That's what I'm expecting. And then this is where it gets really interesting. And if we could map it out, maybe we get a full moon in that date, or maybe it's too early, we can check. There was the last one. And then we have approximately 30 days. 20. Yeah, we are here. But it's these lines are not accurate, but it's like could be an indication. Yeah. But it's dangerous to just go full deployment now, because yeah. Let me actually make a drawing so I can post this on Twitter. Yeah, that's nice. Maybe I should keep some of the drawings. Yeah, this one. territory. That don't look correct. Territory. Maybe territory. This is good enough. Maybe we should delete this one and use this one instead. Yeah, you see, we are very close. How would that put us with the full moon? Didn't we just had one? There we go. Yeah, nice. Let's see, 30 days, 40, 30, it's just in here, yeah, 60 days. Maybe it's 2 full moons. That would be nice. Maybe it takes even longer. Maybe it's, yeah, that's nice. Maybe this is the bottom, and we go like above here, and then we create some sort of feel me? And maybe we just create a very small one. Interesting. Yeah. But this is just predictions to just see where we go from here. But what I like is like we have like we're starting to see some volume. Be huge volume spike. And if you compare that to the top volume, you see very little. So the interesting thing is like this is the only big volume node we have seen, and this one. So the interesting thing is like the tops don't have much volume. So that would tell me that when you see like there is much more volume to the downside, that's I like it, because that means somebody there is a big swapping of who's holding the assets. And if we do like from this is like the first big volume node. You see we are exactly in the POC on this entire section, a little bit below, but here is 54. That's my my hope target, that we go down to 54. And that also aligns very good here. And I think it's also, yeah. Yeah, it's sharp price action, but that's exactly what you want to see when you get like an A and an extended B, a B that expands above the first move into this one. This would be like invalidated if it went over this one, 1618, and then you should see a sharp move after this one, and that's exactly what we're seeing. It's just been downwards for like it's almost no price action, and it's been going like this for 119 days. So yeah, this could absolutely be an ABC, an expanded B. And you see these sometimes appear. They're very lucrative to trade, because it's an corrective pattern. Yeah. This one could also be an ABC, which you see here. And I can turn it upside down for you guys. Then you had like this B, expanded B, and you had a C. And if you take this move and you put on the 1618, so you're here. So that could be interesting to like you see the similarities actually. Let me go back. It's not quite the same, but yeah. It's pretty much the same. You see? Here you're looking for like this, and then you're looking for a continuation. So yeah, but that would bring you up like 31% to 80k. Interesting, interesting. Yeah. But I think that was all, and I'm just gonna post this. So yeah, have a great day. Thank you.